Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this great occasion, I will deliver my research with the title The Student Perception on Writing Project of Short Story During COVID-19 Pandemic. Okay, let's begin. To begin with the introduction, there are 3 points as the background of this study. The first one is the student have to adapt a new way to learn. The pandemic situation affected various sectors, including education. The Indonesian Minister of Education and Culture, Nadiem Makarim, issued a circular note for school and also other educational institutions, including senior high school, to temporarily stop the conventional teaching and learning activities in the school. He said that the lesson to be conducted from home to online learning. The second one is the writing is believed as therapeutic value to help student condition. And the third is writing short story is one of writing skill competency. It means that one of the way to increase writing skill is to write English story. When writing English short story, students need the imagination to find the idea, and English can assist students to develop creativity. And also, students could write short story based on their creativity and write anything their feelings. Well, let's continue to the research question. The first question is, what are student perception on the writing project of short story during COVID-19 pandemic? The second is, what are the problems faced by the student in writing project of short story during COVID-19 pandemic? And the last question is, what is the most problem faced by student in writing project of short story during COVID-19? And as the purpose of the study, the first is to find out student perception on writing project of short story during COVID-19 pandemic. The second is to find out the problem faced the student in writing project of short story during COVID-19 pandemic, and to find out the most problem faced by the student in writing project of short story during COVID-19 pandemic. As the limitation of the problem, the researcher limit the study focus on student perception and problem in writing project of short story during COVID-19 pandemic. Now we move to literature review. There are some opinion to support this study. The first one is about perception. There are a few opinion or definition about perception. The first one is from Demuth 2013. Perception is a result of the interaction between stimulus and internal inference, desire, and experience of the observer. According to Chan 2003, he stated that the student perception is very important for evaluating the effectiveness of teaching and learning. And according to Mixot 2017, perception as a phase of the total process of action which allow us to adjust our activities to the world where we live in. Okay, and then writing definition according to Neza Malar, Sarata, and T in 2001. They state that writing is the skill that most students are least proficient in when acquiring a new language. And according to Encyclopedia Britannia Classic in 2014, defines the short story as a brief fictional prose narrative that is shorter than a novel and that usually deal with only a few characters. And for research method, this research use descriptive qualitative in order to investigate the student perception about the benefit in the use of writing English short story and the difficulties in use of writing English short story. Well, now about finding and discussion, there are 4 benefits of writing English short story. The participants are Filza, Nadia, and Konita as the 3% of the participants. From Senior High School number 2 Lubuk Linggau. They mentioned that for benefit are improving vocabulary, practicing grammar, developing creative thinking, and improving spelling. And then participants mentioned that three challenges are finishing the story, finding appropriate vocabulary, and making the right sentences. Well, let's jump to the conclusion. The finding indicated from three participants mentioned that writing English short story gives some benefit to essay student English writing. Those participants mentioned that writing English short story can improving vocabulary, practicing the grammar. Also, participants can developing creative thinking and improving spelling. The second proposed to know the challenges in the use of writing English story. The participants declared that there were four difficulties in the use of writing English story. Those challenges of writing English short story were the student difficult to finishing the short story, finding appropriate vocabulary, and making the right sentence. Okay, that's all my presentation. Hope it's be useful, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.